Are you in a relationship with one of these 7 kinds of people? Beware: gaslighters, ghosters, and energy vampires. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and Alchemy life coach. And today we're soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers, I've been seeing these big, beautiful hawks everywhere. It's that time of year. So when you're out and about, look for these big, beautiful birds, eagles and hawks. They're just so magnificent. And they'll remind you of your potential, that you don't have to crawl on the ground. You can soar in the sky. High flyers, want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and Alchemy life coaching. Visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com and find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life. So today we're talking about gaslighters and ghosters and energy vampires. And if you don't believe in vampires, you need to start, because I have known some vampires in my life that, you spent 5 minutes talking with these people and you just felt like somebody put a straw in you and sucked all the energy right out of you. It's phenomenal what these people can do. Phenomenal in a bad way, okay? And if you're in a relationship or you are hanging around these kinds of people, you are putting yourself in a position of not maximizing your own potential. And you're listening to people who are constantly going to downplay who you are, what you're about, your potential, your inner greatness. So the first one on my list is people who devalue your potential. They make you feel worthless. You're around these people for a period of time, and all of a sudden they're saying this about you and this, and you got to start doing this, and you're not doing that. They devalue what you feel. You feel something, you say, I feel this, and they go, no, you don't. You don't really feel that. Here's what you really feel. Or who cares what you feel? It doesn't make any difference. And what happens is, if you keep hanging around somebody who devalues you, then you are setting yourself up for being a street rock versus a precious stone. So what I'm trying to say is this: a street rock gets kicked around a lot. Kids love to kick street rocks, but nobody kicks a diamond. Nobody kicks a ruby or an emerald. We hold on to those. We value them. If you want other people to value you, high flyers, first, you must value yourself. I am precious. I am unique. I am worthy. Number 2 is, they're all over the place. They're called braggers. And whatever you talk about, they will brag that they've done it bigger, better than you will ever imagine. And that you are minuscule. You are nothing compared to them. They're everything. They are super. And that's all they do is brag. And the whole idea of this bragging is to make them feel big and you feel small. I am big. I am valuable. I am abundant. I am loved. You see, the more you talk to yourself with these kinds of self-affirming, positive affirmations, the better you're going to feel about who you are, and the more you're going to attract what you want. Well, high flyers, we've all met number 3 on my list, self-centered people. They only talk about themselves. So if you're in a conversation, you meet at a restaurant, you guys sit down and you say, man, the traffic was really bad getting over here. I was stuck in traffic. They will turn that around and somehow make it about themselves. Well, you have no idea how bad the traffic was. You should have seen the way I had to come. I had to come in a covered wagon with an old broken down horse. I mean, they will make it about themselves all the time. Now, I understand that each one of us is the center of our own universe. I understand that. But people that are giving and loving and sharing reach out of their own microcosm into someone else's, and they lift them up. So when you're around self-centered people, you're going to feel like everything is about them. This is my time. This is my journey. I am living my dream. Well, number 4 on my list is extremely judgmental people. I mean, and they're not just judgmental of you, but that they start with you. Okay, you're first and foremost on their target. But they're judgmental about everything. What they eat, the air they breathe, the earth they walk on, the sky, the weather, everything. It's all judgmental behavior. And that's all they do. Their whole life is going through reality, judging it. But they love to judge you. They really do. And they will tell you, you should not have feel that way. He's a bum. Don't you know that? I mean, this guy hasn't worked in 6 months. He's no good for anything. Let him go. He's no good. And you're stupid for being with him. Do you see what I'm saying? They're always judgmental. What are you doing in that business? Get out there and get yourself a real job. Okay, it goes on, and I'm not gonna bore you with it. You know what I'm talking about. But if you're around judgmental people, you're putting yourself on the wheel, so to speak. In other words, you're allowing other people to throw darts at you constantly because that's all they know how to do is judge. And so why would you allow anyone to judge your path, your journey, your feelings, your life, or your reality? It doesn't make any sense, does it? I trust in my heart, in my soul, and in my mind. This is my journey, my time, my place, and no judgment shall fall upon me. I am co-creator of my own reality. Well, high flyers, you remember we were talking about energy vampires earlier on, and these people are oftentimes extremely self-destructive. Come on, let's drink another beer. Come on, let's get drunk tonight. Come on, let's get stoned. I mean, it's not good enough to just relax. Let's get stoned and go out and drive our car as fast as we can. And hey, if we're going to drive our car, let's drive it, on the freeway in the wrong direction. They're destructive, and they want to destroy you too. Now, it's your choice. High flyers, come on. It's your choice. Are you going to let other people pressure you into destroying you and your life and your journey. One day with a self-destructive personality can change your whole life forever. It's not worth it. These people are on a collision course, and they want you to get in the car with them and go for the ride. Now, it's not just with cars. It's with relationships. It's in business. It's in finance, and they blame everyone. I know a person who's like that. Every single person in his reality is to blame because he is on a self-destructive course. And he thinks if any of these people are not on the self-destructive course with him, they're stupid. They're idiot. Then he starts criticizing them and becoming judgmental. By the way, some of these personality traits can intermingle. Some people have them all. Those are the ones you literally want to put a jetpack on your back and get the hell out of their way. Trust me. I love myself. I love my life. I love my journey. I love what I am creating in my life. I love what I am manifesting. I am living at the vibration of love. Well, the next one, high flyers, is liars, cheats, and fakes. And we see a lot of this in relationships where the person will tell you, hey, they give me an excuse, right? But they're really lying to you. They don't come clean. They don't talk straight. They always got to talk in circles. Talk in circles. That's what they do. And they cheat. They believe that you are there for their pleasure only. Only. Their pleasure only. And they will cheat. They will fake you. They will lie to you. They will do anything possible to keep you in place, wanting, needing, begging more of their time and their energy. Say this affirmation with me. I live truth and light in all my relationships. I live the truth and light, illumination in all my relationships, my business relationships, my love relationships, my family relationships, my friendships. I live love and light. Well, high flyers, the next one is number 7, and it is controllers and manipulators. You ever seen the puppeteers? They do the little marionettes. That's what controllers and manipulators do. They want you to serve their needs, their goals, their direction. They want you performing for them, and they will keep you controlled and manipulate you using whatever tool possible. Lies, cheats, and fakes, ghosting, gaslighting. It doesn't make a difference. And if that doesn't work, they may resort to physical violence. So you think about it. Do you really want to put yourself in a position where you are surrounded by these kinds of people? Any of the people I mentioned on the list? Of course you don't. Now, you have to ask yourself this question. Are you ready? If you are surrounded by these kinds of people in your life, did you manifest them? And if you didn't, who did? Of course you did. That's the law of attraction. You can change what and who you manifest by changing your beliefs about yourself. You are precious. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.